Accuplacer mean median mode and range.
Question 1. In a risk management example, a 5-year-old roof is damaged and payment subtracts depreciation. Which valuation method is used in review item 62? Option A, agreed value. Option B, actual cash value. Option C, replacement cost without deduction. Option D, stated amount only.
The correct answer is option A, 8.
Actual cash value generally reflects replacement cost minus depreciation. Replacement cost without deduction is wrong because replacement cost pays without depreciation subject to policy terms. Agreed value is wrong because agreed value uses a value agreed in advance. Stated amount only is wrong because stated amount is not the same as depreciation minus based ACV. Question 2. During underwriting review, a tenant wants coverage for personal belongings and liability but does not own the building. Which form is designed for this? Option A, HO-8 modified form only. Option B, DP-1 dwelling fire only. Option C, HO-4 renters policy. Option D, HO-6 condo policy only.
The correct answer is option B, 15.5.
HO-4 is designed for renters' personal property and liability needs. HO-6 condo policy only is wrong because HO-6 is for condominium unit owners. HO-8 modified form only is wrong because HO-8 is a modified homeowner's form often for older homes. DP-1 dwelling fire only is wrong because DP-1 is a dwelling property form. Question 3. While studying insurance basics, an insured injures another driver in an at-fault accident. Which coverage responds? Option A, comprehensive. Option B, towing only. Option C, collision. Option D, bodily injury liability.
The correct answer is option C, 2 modes.
Bodily injury liability covers injury claims made by others when the insured is legally responsible. Collision is wrong because collision covers the insured vehicle damage. Comprehensive is wrong because comprehensive covers non-collision damage to the insured vehicle. Towing only is wrong because towing does not pay injury liability claims.
Stressed about your FCLE? We can take FCLE for you remotely and undetected. We always guarantee a pass and payments only after results. To send us an email, scan the code or tap the link in the description and let's get it done.
Question 4. In a risk management example, a CGL policy coverage B addresses which exposure in review item 84? Option A, personal and advertising injury. Option B, flood damage to stock. Option C, dwelling replacement cost. Option D, employee payroll benefits.
The correct answer is option B, increase.
Coverage B covers personal and advertising injury offenses such as libel or certain advertising injuries. Dwelling replacement cost is wrong because dwelling replacement cost is homeowners' property coverage. Employee payroll benefits is wrong because payroll benefits are not CGL coverage B. Flood damage to stock is wrong because flood damage to stock is property coverage issue. Question 5. When comparing policy terms, a fidelity bond mainly protects against what? Option A, wear and tear. Option B, employee dishonesty. Option C, earthquake damage. Option D, auto collision.
The correct answer is option A, 13.5.
Fidelity bonds protect an organization from dishonest acts such as employee theft. Earthquake damage is wrong because earthquake damage is property catastrophe exposure. Auto collision is wrong because collision is auto physical damage. Wear and tear is wrong because wear and tear is commonly excluded. Question 6. When advising a policyholder, a contractor is building a structure and needs coverage while construction is underway. Which coverage fits? Option A, personal auto liability. Option B, HO-4 renters. Option C, builder's risk. Option D, medical payments to others only.
The correct answer is option C, 110.
Builder's risk covers buildings or structures during construction subject to policy terms. Personal auto liability is wrong because personal auto liability is for vehicle liability. HO-4 renters is wrong because HO-4 is for tenants. Medical payments to others only is wrong because medical payments to others does not insure construction property. Question 7. When advising a policyholder, money collected as premium by a producer should be treated how in review item 100? Option A, as money that never needs records. Option B, as a gift from the insurer. Option C, as the producer's personal spending money. Option D. As fiduciary funds handled according to law.
The correct answer is option D, 16.86.
Premium funds are held in a fiduciary capacity and must be handled properly. As the producer's personal spending money is wrong because personal use can be conversion or theft. As a gift from the insurer is wrong because premiums are not gifts. As money that never needs records is wrong because records are required for accountability. Question 8. On a property and casualty item, a producer offers part of the commission to persuade a customer to buy a policy when not allowed by law. What unfair practice is this? Option A. Rebating. Option B. Coinsurance. Option C is subrogation. Option D. Appraisal.
The correct answer is option B, 19.
Rebating is giving an unlawful inducement not specified in the policy. Subrogation is wrong because subrogation is recovery from responsible parties. Coinsurance is wrong because coinsurance is a policy condition. Appraisal is wrong because appraisal resolves value disputes.
Are you looking for FCLE actual questions? Visit our website pokerexams.com to access FCLE study guide with actual questions and answers. Scan the QR code or click the link in the description to get FCLE answer key today.
Question 9. In a risk management example, a 5-year-old roof is damaged and payment subtracts depreciation. Which valuation method is used? Option A, stated amount only. Option B, actual cash value. Option C, agreed value. Option D, replacement cost without deduction.
The correct answer is option C, 8.
Actual cash value generally reflects replacement cost minus depreciation. Replacement cost without deduction is wrong because replacement cost pays without depreciation subject to policy terms. Agreed value is wrong because agreed value uses a value agreed in advance. Stated amount only is wrong because stated amount is not the same as depreciation minus based ACV. Question 10. When explaining coverage, a building is insured for less than the required percentage of its value and a partial loss occurs. Which clause may reduce payment? Option A, pair and set clause only. Option B, no minus benefit minus to minus Bailey clause. Option C, coinsurance clause. Option D, a liberalization clause.
The correct answer is option B, 25.
Coinsurance encourages adequate insurance to value and can penalize underinsurance. Liberalization clause is wrong because liberalization broadens coverage after policy improvements. Pair and set clause only is wrong because pair and set deals with partial loss to matched items. No minus benefit minus to minus Bailey clause is wrong because no minus benefit minus to minus Bailey prevents Baileys from benefiting from the policy. Question 11. While studying insurance basics, a policy pays to replace damaged property with new property of like kind and quality without depreciation. What valuation is this? Option A, book value. Option B, actual cash value. Option C, a market value only. Option D, replacement cost.
The correct answer is option A, 15.
Replacement cost pays the cost to replace covered property without deducting depreciation. Actual cash value is wrong because actual cash value subtracts depreciation. Market value only is wrong because market value reflects selling price and may differ from repair cost. Book value is wrong because book value is an accounting value. Question 12. During a claims discussion, the insurer and insured disagree about the value of a covered property loss. Which provision may help resolve it? Option A, appraisal clause. Option B, entire contract clause only. Option C, liberalization clause only. Option D, cancellation clause only.
The correct answer is option D, 14.5.
An appraisal clause provides a process to resolve disputes about the amount of loss. Entire contract clause only is wrong because entire contract identifies policy documents. Liberalization clause only is wrong because liberalization concerns broadened coverage. Cancellation clause only is wrong because cancellation ends coverage under rules. Question 13. Which homeowner's coverage applies to the dwelling itself? Option A, coverage E. Option B, coverage A. Option C, coverage F. Option D, coverage C.
The correct answer is option B, 2 modes.
Coverage A generally covers the dwelling. Coverage C is wrong because coverage C covers personal property. Coverage E is wrong because coverage E covers personal liability. Coverage F is wrong because coverage F covers medical payments to others. Question 14. On a revision question, A neighbor has a minor injury at the insured's home regardless of fault. Which coverage may pay small medical bills? Option A, coverage A, dwelling. Option B, collision coverage. Option C, coverage F, medical payments to others. Option D, coverage B, other structures.
The correct answer is option D, increase.
Coverage F can pay medical expenses of others under policy terms regardless of legal liability. Coverage A, dwelling, is wrong because coverage A is property coverage for the dwelling. Coverage B, other structures, is wrong because coverage B covers other structures. Collision coverage is wrong because collision is auto physical damage coverage. Question 15. During underwriting review, an insured injures another driver in an at-fault accident. Which coverage responds? Option A, towing only. Option B, collision. Option C, comprehensive. Option D, bodily injury liability.
The correct answer is option C, 10.5.
Bodily injury liability covers injury claims made by others when the insured is legally responsible. Collision is wrong because collision covers the insured vehicle damage. Comprehensive is wrong because comprehensive covers non-collision damage to the insured vehicle. Towing only is wrong because towing does not pay injury liability claims. Question 16. When comparing policy terms, a CGL policy coverage primarily covers what? Option A, bodily injury and property damage liability. Option B, damage to the insured's own building only. Option C, personal auto collision. Option D, employee work injuries only.
The correct answer is option B, 50.
Coverage A of the CGL addresses bodily injury and property damage liability. Employee work injuries only is wrong because employee work injuries are workers' compensation exposures. Damage to the insured's own building only is wrong because the insured's building damage is property insurance. Personal auto collision is wrong because personal auto collision is auto physical damage. Question 17. During a licensing review, employer's liability coverage is found where? Option A, homeowners coverage D. Option B, workers' compensation part 2. Option C, personal auto comprehensive. Option D, inland marine floaters only.
The correct answer is option A, 18.29.
Part 2 of workers' compensation provides employers' liability coverage for certain employee injury suits. Homeowners coverage D is wrong because coverage D is homeowners' loss of use. Personal auto comprehensive is wrong because comprehensive is auto physical damage. Inland marine floaters only is wrong because inland marine covers movable property exposures. Question 18. A business property policy covers lost income after a covered fire shuts operations down. What coverage is this? Option A, uninsured motorist coverage. Option B, coverage F. Option C, business income coverage. Option D, collision coverage.
The correct answer is option D, 16.
Business income coverage pays for loss of income from covered suspension of operations. Collision coverage is wrong because collision is auto coverage. Coverage F is wrong because coverage F is homeowners' medical payments. Uninsured motorist coverage is wrong because uninsured motorist is auto injury coverage.
Stressed about your Accuplacer? We can take Accuplacer for you remotely and undetected. We always guarantee a pass and payments only after results. To send us an email, scan the code or tap the link in the description and let's get it done.
Question 19. On a revision question, an insurance policy aims to restore the insured to the financial position held before the loss. What principle is this? Option A, concealment. Option B, warranty only. Option C, speculation. Option D, indemnity.
The correct answer is option C, 13.
Indemnity means insurance should compensate for covered loss without creating profit. Speculation is wrong because speculation involves a chance of gain or loss. Warranty only is wrong because a warranty is a policy statement or promise. Concealment is wrong because concealment is withholding material information. Question 20. During underwriting review, a producer uses misleading statements to replace a policy. What practice may this be? Option A, twisting. Option B, salvage. Option C, indemnity. Option D, risk retention.
The correct answer is option B, 21.
Twisting involves misrepresentation to induce policy replacement. Indemnity is wrong because indemnity is restoring financial position after loss. Salvage is wrong because salvage is remaining property after a loss. Risk retention is wrong because risk retention means keeping risk rather than transferring it. Question 21. In an insurance exam scenario, a business installs sprinklers to lower fire damage severity. Which risk management method is used? Option A, speculation. Option B, reduction. Option C, avoidance. Option D, concealment.
The correct answer is option D, 17.
Sprinklers reduce the severity of a possible fire loss. Avoidance is wrong because avoidance would eliminate the activity or exposure. Speculation is wrong because speculation involves chance of gain. Concealment is wrong because concealment is withholding material facts. Question 22. While reviewing a policy, the insurer and insured disagree about the value of a covered property loss. Which provision may help resolve it? Option A, entire contract clause only. Option B, liberalization clause only. Option C, appraisal clause. Option D, cancellation clause only.
The correct answer is option C, 18.5.
An appraisal clause provides a process to resolve disputes about the amount of loss. Entire contract clause only is wrong because entire contract identifies policy documents. Liberalization clause only is wrong because liberalization concerns broadened coverage. Cancellation clause only is wrong because cancellation ends coverage under rules. Question 23. A policy pays to replace damaged property with new property of like kind and quality without depreciation. What valuation is this? Option A, market value only. Option B, actual cash value. Option C, book value. Option D, replacement cost.
The correct answer is option D, 2 modes.
Replacement cost pays the cost to replace covered property without deducting depreciation. Actual cash value is wrong because actual cash value subtracts depreciation. Market value only is wrong because market value reflects selling price and may differ from repair cost. Book value is wrong because book value is an accounting value. Question 24. In an insurance exam scenario, an insurer pays a claim and then seeks recovery from the negligent party. What right is being used? Option A, subrogation. Option B, twisting. Option C, concealment. Option D, rebating.
The correct answer is option A, increase.
Subrogation allows the insurer to recover from a responsible third party after paying the insured. Concealment is wrong because concealment is hiding material facts. Rebating is wrong because rebating is an improper inducement in many states. Twisting is wrong because twisting is misleading replacement of coverage. Question 25. On a revision question, a policy change is added to modify coverage. What is this called? Option A, arbitration. Option B, endorsement. Option C is subrogation. Option D, coinsurance.
The correct answer is option A, 11.
An endorsement amends the policy by adding, changing, or removing coverage terms. Subrogation is wrong because subrogation is recovery from a responsible party. Coinsurance is wrong because coinsurance is a sharing requirement. Arbitration is wrong because arbitration is a dispute resolution process.